Packaging box. Hey monkey. Bracket. User manual. Where remote control. Mount the bracket to the handlebar and tighten the nut. Slide the lightweight horn into the bracket until you hear it clicks on and adjust the light angle. Remaining battery. Turn on, off, long press the power button for 0.75 seconds. Change modes, short press the power button. Flick forward in any status to trigger horn and flashing. Flick backward and long press for 2 seconds to change the sound. Each operation of flicking backward is to select the sounds, and the selection is confirmed by flicking forward or without operation for 2 minutes. Long press 3 seconds to adjust the volume. Flick forward to increase the sound. Flick backward to reduce the sound. The volume adjustment is confirmed with the current volume by single pressing the power button or without operation for 2 minutes.